Keep moving.
Merry Christmas. As part of the determination of the present administration of the Rivers State, under the guidance of His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, the welfare and well-being of our children and other Rivers people are paramount. As parents, we must continue to do these things that are right before God and man in bringing up our children for the benefit of the larger society. For us, we will continue to do our best to pray for peace in our state so that there will be accelerated growth and development for the benefit of the people. Though this year's Christmas is the first in this regime, we intend to make it better in the next editions. Therefore, I urge everyone to continue to intercede for greater wisdom for our children as they grow into adulthood. I'm happy to host our lovely children who are the leaders of tomorrow. Obviously, an occasion like this affords each and every one of us the opportunity to reflect on the reason for the season. Though it is simple to know that the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ gave rise to this moment, it goes beyond the euphoria of celebration as it significantly represents a season of caring and sharing, as well as showing love to others as Christ did.
Excellency, with your critical language, come with should, come with a child, please. Ogubolo local government, a child from Ogubolo area. Eleme, please. A child from Gokana. Gokana local government. Give way. Can I have a child? This is Excellency with their own dialect. Oyibo local government area, please. You are greeting in your language. I have a child from Piggyman. Please. Just one. From Akukutoru. From Abuda East. Just one. Just one. Can I have a child from Oba Egbema local government area? Just one child, please. One child. Can I have a child community, a child from the Igbo community, a child from the Edo, every other non-indigenous language?
Put your hands.